Eventbrite is an event management tool that makes it simple to create, manage, and promote your events. This ACT connection can create new ACT contacts from anyone who purchases event tickets or even registers themselves as an attendee for any of your events. Now, once you set up this integration, new attendees from that point forward are added to ACT as new contacts. This makes it easier than ever to follow up with your attendees. If you're going to use this connection, it requires an Eventbrite account and also an active event scheduled. I've already created my own Eventbrite account, and I've also scheduled an event in order to demonstrate how this works in this video. Once we set up this ACT connection with Eventbrite, I'll register a fake attendee to this event so that we can see what happens in ACT. Here's how to set it up. From the ACT Connect page, first you want to find Eventbrite and click it to highlight it. And then in the box to your left, click the Get Started button. Zapier is the connection between ACT and Eventbrite, and so it gives us a quick summary of what this connection will do. Once you've read that and you're fine with it, click the Use This Zap button. Zapier has searched and found my Eventbrite account, so I'm going to click Connect. Now I just need to allow permissions to Zapier to export attendees from an Eventbrite account. So I'll click Allow. Now on the other side of the connection, Zapier is looking for my ACT Premium account. Since I'm already logged into ACT Premium, it's found it right away. I'll click Use this one. The next step is to map the fields from Eventbrite to ACT Premium. By default, as you can see, the list includes first name, last name, and email. If you want, you can use the Show Advanced Options link to add additional fields. I'm fine with these the way they are right now though, so I'll click Save and Finish. Zapier is now turning on this connection, and once it's finished, we get a success message at the top. And now I'd like to test out this new connection, or Zap. So I'll click this button that says Test Out My New Zap. Okay, so now let's check to see if this is working. I'm going to open a new window and I'm going to go to Eventbrite, specifically to the page of the event that I created ahead of time. Now I'm going to register this event with a fake account. And this will be the account that ends up getting created in ACT automatically. Once I complete this registration, Eventbrite will process the order, and then it will confirm to me that I have saved one ticket for my event. Now if I go back to my Zap, I can click the Continue and fetch the attendee. Zapier tells me that it has found somebody who has registered, so let's click See Sample Contact. And there's the contact information of the person who just registered for that event. So let's click Continue and Send to ACT Premium. I now get a success message that says my Zap is working. Now if I go to ACT, I should see that this new contact has been created. So I'll go to Contacts, and I want to list all of my contacts in a list view. And here it is. Elaine Biederman has been created as a contact who was brought over from my Eventbrite connection. So as you can see, ACT Connect can now connect to Eventbrite to bring over all event attendees as new contacts within ACT.